Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here from Squirrel Mills Farms. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. In the kitchen, I am going to make grilled pork chops. Today I'm going to make the marinade for them. The catch is, I'm not going to give you the recipe. The recipe you can find on the Greene Sisters YouTube channel. They posted it on May 13th. These girls are just a hoot. They have 129 subs, so they're fairly new to it too. And yeah, so I'm going to try their recipe. I'm marinating it today, be putting it on the charcoal grill tomorrow, and we'll see how their recipe turns out. So a shout out to the Greene Sisters. Thank you for this recipe. So I've made this beautiful marinade, and I have washed and patted dry my loin chops. I just put it in there and then I flipped it once. And I'm going to cover that up and put it in the fridge overnight. Hi everyone. Well, it's the next day and those have been marinating since yesterday. And I changed my mind. I'm going to use the propane barbecue and Aubrey's going to help.
Okay.
And we're just going to leave these on. I'm going to check them after 3 minutes on a side, but they're not very thick and there's no bone, but it takes longer to cook around the bone. So we'll turn these down lower. Now, the one thing with pork chops is if you overcook them, they will be tough. So we just want them just cooked, and then they'll be perfect. Okay, it's been 4 minutes. Aubrey's going to give it a flip. Oh, don't those look good? And we'll give it another 4 minutes. Okay, so I made a slit in one and pulled it apart, and there is no blood in the center, so those are ready to come off the grill. They look amazing. Wow, those look amazing. I don't know what Aubrey's going to eat because these look like they're mine.